Welcome to 2021. I'll be your host. Happy New Year, ladies and gentlemen. I took a little hiatus because I was running from the cops. They found the dead bodies in my basement again. Folks, I welcome you back to today's episode of Out of My Way Extras. Okay, maybe we need to work on the voice a little bit more, but that's not our focus today. If you haven't already guessed, we're going to be doing Bakugo Katsuki from My Hero Academia, who is my favorite character from that show, mainly because we're pretty similar. We're perfectionists, we're brutally honest, and we have the same chest size. You know, what's not to love about an anime character that you just really relate to, you know? Today we will be dabbling into hair, the art of hair, and I know nothing about hair. As you can see, I literally do nothing with my hair ever. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I don't know who told you this was a tutorial, but it's definitely not. Last time I managed to burn the local Fazoli's down. Personally, I don't see what's wrong with this wig. It's kind of cute. It's kind of like a female version of Bakugo. I don't see anything that's wrong with that, to be perfectly honest. Never mind, we're styling it. Oh! How do you open these? What? Oh, yes. What color you guys want? Orange, green. Too bad, we're doing orange. Your choice does not matter. You can tell that like Best Jeanist tries his best to like kind of style his hair to where it's like down, but the only time that it really goes back up is when he's pissed off, which means that is his natural look. He does not style that. That's a pretty accurate representation of the wig we have now. No! No, 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 no. We're gonna be trimming the ends of it and we're gonna get this final result. Trust me, I'm an artist here. These not bangs. No siree. That's how you spell, right? Okay, so what you're gonna need a lot of stuff. You're gonna need yep, that's a lot of stuff. You're gonna need the gel. There goes the gel, okay. I'm just gonna let her do her thing. Okay, this is actually what you need. You need one pair of scissors, hairspray, and gel. Though all the other stuff is useless. Sup, girl? You ever seen a Bakugo with false lashes before? Me neither. I kind of look like Bakugo's mom. And as attractive as Bakugo's mom is, we're not dressing up as Bakugo's mom. We're dressing up as Bakugo. There's a difference. Kabish! Joining me today will be my lovely assistant, Geraldine. Treat her with love and respect, guys. She's going through a lot. Yes, no, yes, no, it's just fine. Yes, no, okay, we're going. Oh my god, Bakugo, you're balding. What's wrong with you? Are you getting old? Maybe all those explosions have caused you a little too much stress, huh, buddy? Oh my god, that looks so bad. Oh, the humanity. Ah! I remember this one time in 4th grade where, I had like 4 bullies at once. There was one guy that had already been bullying me for years, and then there was this other guy that was just, I mean, he was a child, but I'm just saying if anybody just went up to him and just slapped him across the face. There's always like that one group of friends that you knew in elementary school or middle school that were just like, oh, I wish I was them. They must have fun slumber parties. I went to a slumber party with all the sassy girls that I really liked to be around. And then at one point we were just like chilling in their room and they were playing like this Goosebumps DS game, and I was like, it was under this blanket fort or something, and then I asked them like, hey, what are you guys doing? And she's like, oh, only cool girls are allowed on here. Like, shut up. Just about like the next day we went to Pirates Cove and I ate a bunch of watermelon instead of drinking water, and I ended up in the hospital later that day because I was extremely dehydrated and I vomited twice. Oh, okay, I think we're getting somewhere now. Okay, whew. Mom, don't come in here. Watch me just cut off an eyelash. I went to Hot Topic once. Not only Bakugo's butchered as hell, but my boy, pretty boy Shoto, yeah, he gets butchered as well. It says, use on damp hair. Squeeze a small amount into palm, rub hands together, and distribute evenly throughout hair. Is this how you do it? I think this is how you do it. You think he does this every morning? Drink the water. Drink the water, Geraldine. What did I say? Drink the water. Come on. Yeah, I like this little position here where I'm just putting you in a chokehold. Why did I do it like this? Oh God. Get out of my room! You stupid cat. Get out of this shot. To be perfectly honest, I wonder what this gel tastes like. Like, just don't taste the gel. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. This is definitely pretty darn accurate to his hair. But it's if he didn't shower for 7 years. If only you guys could smell my videos. Is the gel supposed to make it feel like I can't feel my hands anymore? Because that's definitely what it's making me feel like right now. Oh. Get the hairspray in here. Okay, so this is the final result. I love it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna have a cool transition to the next day where we're gonna make the mask. You ready? Hi, it's the next day. Come back. Come over here. Woo, 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 woo! Okay, day 2, here we go. We're making the mask out of some really cheap costume fabric, but I did that with the top and it worked out pretty well. Today we're gonna learn how to make a mask. I'll draw the mask for you just to make you happy. I need a reference. Okay, there's the face. We're gonna just... Okay. So that's pretty accurate to the real thing. And then it goes up, and then it does this, and then it goes like that. And then there's these little spiky boys in the back. That's not how you do it. And then at the back, there's like these huge explosion looking little knickknacks. So yeah, let's hope we don't fail this because there's a lot of different little knickknacks here. This is how to thread your sewing machine 101 with me. Although you should probably not... Oh yeah, I have laundry back there. Please don't pay attention to that. I can't see. Okay, you're gonna take this sucker out, just pull it out, throw it across the room, kill somebody. I don't even know. Woo. Focus. Okay, and then you're just gonna pull that there. We're gonna go through here. Why do I smell smoke? That should not be a thing. Bring it around town. And then you're just gonna pull apart the... I'm pretty sure that's not how you do it, but whatever. It was back to front. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Get out of there! Get out of there! So let's not pretend that took almost 20 minutes to figure out how to thread that again correctly. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is me making the eye holes and kind of like a mask prototype. And you'll see what's a prototype in a minute. Back to the basics, I redid the eye holes, made them closer together, made the nose pickers more prominent, cut the eye holes out, should look better this time. Okay, here we go, that's a little better. Not gonna lie. Ooh, kind of spicy. Oh, you know what? I could probably wrap this around and like, wrap this around first and then kind of just... Wait a minute. Where is the chalk pencil? I need the chalk pencil. Try and keep it as accurate as possible. If this doesn't work, I will actually cry. And what you're seeing here is me sewing the fabric on top of the mask so it looks more smooth, more like fabric, less than foam because I didn't want that foam look. I was not in the mood for that. And now you're seeing me do the straps, and you'll realize how much of a horrible mistake that was because the fabric stretches and it is so utterly painful to sew. It doesn't want to move. Okay, move. You're supposed to move. You're not supposed to go on the edge of the earth, okay? Sir, please. It just doesn't want to sew that one little place because it's just like, I want to go on the edge. I want to go on the edge. Finally, after 5 hours of working at that, just kidding, that wasn't 5 hours, I sewn it onto the mask. Whoa. Boom. Okay, moment of truth here. I basically just kind of sewn these straps together, and I am going to tie them in the back because I thought that would look cute. Although Bakugo and cute don't really go together, that's okay. Like you can see the sewing. I know I'm very sloppy on my sewing, but I seriously don't care. Okay, so for this last step, we're gonna have to go on a little journey here. I need some cardboard, and the only cardboard I have in my house, hi cat, is downstairs in the basement. My father's working, I have to keep my voice down. Okay. I'm gonna borrow these real quick. What? Oh my god, get off. Okay, we finally got the sheet of cardboard we want. There you go. Oh, sorry. All right, now we're gonna work on the explosion thingies. I use the cardboard as a base so it doesn't bend around, and I had to look at a reference for like a couple hours. This was so tedious. All right, congrats, we just finished the first one. We only have 5 more to make. You have no idea how much willpower this took not to mess up. And then you're just gonna prime it, and I didn't want to film me painting it because that's boring. Hi, so let's pretend that didn't take a whole nother day to work on, but still, nevertheless, it looks. So I kind of misjudged the title. I said double feature, but it's actually a triple feature. There's the little explosion things in the back that I had to work on that also it took an additional day to work on that. So technically it's 3 things, but I said double feature instead of triple feature because I thought that would be funnier. I'm just gonna put a little red curtain in post or something. Can you guys just like look away for 2 seconds? I am a little self-conscious about people watching me change. Okay, how we're gonna do this. Drum roll, please. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got a good start on this costume. I'd say a pretty good start. I'm gonna check the mirror again. You can't quite see the back, but this is basically what it looks like. I'm gonna have to modify it, but you can definitely see, like, the back is just, that's my favorite part. And I may or may not have completely screwed that up. Hopefully it doesn't tear all my hair off, but yeah. So the wig has kind of died down, but I can always style it again, and the mask is just my favorite part of the whole thing. Basically, the top half is finished, except the little shoulder pads, which is coming later. It's a journey, it's a process. I'm not gonna pretend that this channel's perfect and everything, you know, goes as planned. It's about a 7, solid 7 out of 10. The only problem I'm having is the clip in the back. I just glued one hair clip to this thing, which was a horrible idea. But yes, thank you for watching. Bully the nearest 14-year-old boy with green hair. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.